bloody donkey. Pull up the handbrake again.
I need to start singing while I'm doing it.
At the end, you're going to turn left. How do we plan that left turn? Mirrors. Good. Brake a little bit. You're too fast. Good. Remember, you cannot stop the head like you are. You need to see where to put your car. Look where to put your car now. Good for that last look. And good job. Well done. Hit that gas now. You're going to go for gear 3 again. Pick up. Go over 20. A bit faster. Good. Go for gear 3. Foot off the gas. Clutch down. Up the middle. Good. Pick up at the clutch gently. And whee!
Yay! I did it! I'm scared next. I go back down again.
Nice. Relax the legs. And we're going to try again now. Get gear 1 and ready.